Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Quada is set to return to the Supreme Court in 2023. The DJ will be on trial for murder starting May 22. Quada, whose given name is Shaquille Clark, was arrested and charged with murder and arson on January 15 last year. He was later granted bail in the sum of $500,000. Quada is charged with the murder of Miguel Williams in Sterling Castle Heights. The incident took place on April 17 in 2019. His attorney Bianca Samuel says the charge of arson was dismissed. Quada recently announced his departure from Popcorn's unruly camp and has released his single, The Vibes, which pays homage to Jamaica. Dancehall singer Jamil is back on the scene with the release of a new track dubbed Too Far, So Close. The soulful track has been getting rave reviews since being released and is said to be featured on the great man's upcoming album Legend. Too Far, So Close is currently available on all major platforms and is trending number 13 on streaming platform YouTube.
Life short, none the time for hold back, baby girl, this a come from my heart. We fell apart ever since we stopped talking, things don't feel the same, something feel off. Missing piece to my pussy, you're the queen, when my shuffle it, the diesel for love you.
Jimmy was also listed amongst Audiobook's top 5 artists of 2021. The 2022 staging of the Grammy Awards has been postponed due to the coronavirus. A statement from the Recording Academy and CBS said uncertainty around the Omicron variant means going ahead simply contains too many risks. The statement noted that the decision was arrived at after careful consideration and analysis with city and state officials, health and safety experts, the artist community, and their many partners. The event, which is regarded as music's biggest night, was scheduled to take place January 31 in Los Angeles. A new date will soon be announced. This marks the second postponement of the Grammy Awards due to the COVID-19 pandemic. I am Daedran Gordon reporting for E-Prime.